Facing bankruptcy and public records on credit reports can be really daunting. I know from my years of experience, they were some of the hardest items to remove. But in lesson 15 of our course, this is going to help you use technology to eliminate them faster and easier than ever before. This is just a sneak peek of lesson 15, but in the actual lesson, I'm going to teach you how to compose compelling letters that speak to the credit bureaus and the courts. Chris is going to walk you through a real life scenario, and he'll show you how to express empathy, explain financial recovery, and request accurate credit report updates that get results. You can learn strategies to support clients after bankruptcy, rebuilding credit, and also fostering positive habits. This lesson really just empowers you to navigate bankruptcy and public records with skill and with confidence. Now, through the mastery of persuasive letter writing with AI, you'll become an advocate for your clients. You can guide them towards a fresh financial start much easier than ever before. Are you ready to elevate your credit repair business? You want to take it to another level? Go ahead and click the link to enroll and continue on with me and Chris and Launch Agency on this really transformative journey. Can't wait to see you on the inside.